Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Knowledge Discovery. Today we are going to learn how can we add music to Scratch. This is the fourth tutorial on Scratch. If you remember in the first one I gave you the introduction, how to add a sprite, how to create a sprite, how to create a customized sprite, how can you move the sprite forward and backward. In the next one I also told you how to make your name or how to animate your name. So animation can be flipping the name, flipping the characters, changing the colors. We did all of that in the previous sessions. And today we are going to learn how to make music. So let's start. Quickly we'll go to the interface of Scratch. And I'll first show you what is the kind of output that we are going to generate today. So I've added two musical instruments here. One is a tabla kind, one is a not a tabla but drum, and the other one is a saxophone. So what we'll do is we'll quickly see what kind of output we are generating with our drums. So let's go to drums and see the code that we have made. So we are gonna create such kind of sound or such kind of music with our drums. And with the second musical instrument, what we'll do is we'll create sound, we'll create music, and along with that we'll also change the appearance of the musical instrument. If you see, right? So let's start. So quickly what we'll do is, in case if you want to create something like this, first thing that you have to do is you will have to choose a sprite. Now in this case, since we are creating a musical instrument, so we'll go to choose a sprite, select a musical instrument. For you people, I am selecting a drum kit here, right? Now what we'll do is, the way we have done it for our drum, similarly I will try to code it for the drum kit as well. So let's create an event first. My event is when this drum kit is clicked, in that case I want it to produce a sound. So let's play a sound and let's try to play it. But it's playing the sound only once. So in case if you want to repeat this sound again and again, I hope you remember we have loops here. We can create a loop with repeat. So if you see here, you have repeat. So you can set the counter how many times you want to repeat the sound, and let's see the output. Keep on beating the drums till 10 times. If you want, you can change it. Or what you can do is, like for example, if I make it 5 here, and alright, so 5 times I am repeating this low tom sound, and after that I am changing the sound. So let's see the output now. Right, so in this way you can add different sounds to it as well. Or what you can do is, again we can have the similar piece of code here, and we can change the drum bass to 3. So it can be drum bass 1, 2 and 3. I'll delete this sprite and let's have only this one. Now in case if I play it, now if I repeat this, let's see what kind of music does it generate. I'm doing this and I'm doing this. So now if you see, right? So in this way you can add different sounds to your musical instruments. Now let's choose one another sprite and try to add more kinds of sounds and music. So in this case I am selecting let's select a guitar. Now what I want is, let me add an event here. So my event is, when the space key is pressed, then my guitar will start functioning. What will my guitar do? My guitar will play a sound. So to add a sound, go to the sound option, sound block, and play the sound, or maybe start the sound of electric guitar. So it will start the sound of electric guitar. Now again, it played only once. So if you want to play it multiple times, what you will do is, good, you will add a repeat block. So let's add a repeat block and put this start sound under the repeat block, and now But again, it's playing it only once. So what we'll have to do is it's only starting. So let me take out this and play this. And let's see. Now what's happening is it's playing the guitar sound 10 times. But now what I want is once the sound is played, then the costume of this guitar should change. I hope you remember how you change the costumes. So next to code you have an option for costume. So like I have one guitar which is of purple color. In order to see whether my costume is changing or not, I will change the guitar color and make it this. Now similarly, what we can do is we can go back to our code again and let's go to change costume or switch costume. So once the guitar is played, I want to switch the costume. So I'm pasting it here and so once when you will press the space key, 10 times this loop will go where the electric guitar will be played. Then the costume will be changed to electric B. But now what's happening is it's not going back to the previous costume. So what we'll do is after this, maybe we can wait for some seconds, like wait for, we have a wait block here, no? Yes. So maybe we'll add this in between, that wait for 5 seconds and then change the costume to A. And now let's see. We'll have to reduce this time to see the effect fast. And now if I execute it, you can see the effect. 2 seconds are also more. Let's make it 1 on 0.50. So now if you can see the costumes are also changing one by one, right? So in this way we can add the costume change and the sound effect together on the sprite. So you can add such kind of options to the games that you create.